How's it going, guys? This is the little drone brain that I made. Oop. And I got these components today from Amazon. So this is 600 pieces of transistors. I'm going to be using this one right here. I didn't need this many. I just couldn't find. This was the cheapest and fastest thing I could find. It was like $6 for 600 transistors. And so I'll be using some of these. And what I'm using that for is as a voltage regulator to be able to control these motors on the drone that I'm working on. I was going to try working with these tiny MOSFETs, but you need some capacitors and resistors with those. And I don't think, for some reason, I don't think you need any additional components to use these kinds of transistors in the setup that I'm going to be using. So this is a diagram I found just on the internet on deviceplus.com. This is just one guy's setup, and it's pretty similar to what I already have. So I'm just going to be trying to use these NPN transistors here as the voltage regulators for the brushed motors. They're coreless motors, but still my 3-pin, what do you call it? This thing right here. That. You can't even see that very well. It's a, God, I can't remember what it's called. Anyway, that's for brushless motors, and I'm using brushed motors right now just because it's cheaper and easier to start out with. So, and I already have the parts. Anyway, that's what's going on. Not a whole lot with the drone, so sorry that's not super event filled, but that's what I'm working on. Thanks you guys for watching. And I'll be making some more videos. It looks like I get more views when I do videos about specifically 3D printers and Bitcoin, which I have over here. So yeah, I'll probably be doing that a little bit more, but thanks you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.